Maybe you're new to crypto and keep hearing about staking, but don't exactly know what that means. Well, don't worry because we've made this video specifically for crypto newbies. And in it, we're going to cover the definition of staking, how staking with EQIFi can generate passive income, and then where to learn more and get started. So let's start by covering what exactly staking is. Well, the most important thing to know is that staking with EQIFi is a way of earning rewards for holding EQX, and EQX is the native token for EQIFi. Another way to think of it is putting your tokens to work on the EQIFi platform rather than just leaving them to collect dust sitting there inside your wallet. So when someone stakes, what they're doing is essentially combining or pooling their resources with other members on the platform and then letting those assets go to work on EQIFi. And from the EQIFi side, this helps provide liquidity for the platform. So essentially, this is sort of like the DeFi equivalent of a high interest savings account. Not exactly, but if you're used to traditional banking, this is kind of a decent comparison. So you stake your funds, and in return, you get a very positive return, somewhat similar to a savings account. So that's a high level overview, but let's talk about some of the benefits you can expect when you stake with EQIFi. The number one reason that most people stake is because it's a great way to earn passive income. And this is an image that you're seeing across the internet on EQIFi's website and on the platform. And as you can see from the copy, you can generate returns up to 20% annualized just by staking your EQX tokens. So if you purchase crypto, rather than letting it sit in your wallet, why not convert it to EQX tokens and let it earn up to 20%? The EQIFi platform makes it really easy to do that, and that's why you're hearing so many people talk about staking their tokens with EQIFi. Another thing to note is that the more you stake, the more rewards you get, and not just in terms of those annualized returns and the passive income that we were looking at. As you can see from this chart, which we pulled from platform.eqifi.com, you even get more benefits when you stake, and those come to you in the way of like higher limits on certain EQIFi products, more favorable loan to value ratios, and many, many more. So the bottom line here is that there's a ton of benefits when you stake. So if you're going to be using EQIFi anyway, why not stake some EQX and get even better results? We even have a staking calculator that's available both on eqifi.com and platform.eqifi.com. You can use the slider here, just very simply getting an idea of the yearly rewards that you can expect depending on how much EQX is staked. So hopefully that helps answer some of your questions around staking. If you're still curious or wanting to learn more, we've created a bunch of tutorials and walkthroughs on how to use the staking calculator. We've even got a great walkthrough on how to stake your EQX in under 3 minutes. Both of those videos are available on our YouTube channel. Many more videos there as well. We highly recommend that you stop by there, subscribe. That way you never miss another video or tutorial as they come out. Thanks so much for watching and happy staking.